Hey everyone, tech enthusiasts. Today we're getting our hands on a beast of a phone, the htm-note 30 Ultra. This beauty promises top-notch performance, stunning visuals, and a feature set that'll leave you speechless. First things first, the Note 30 Ultra oozes elegance. The slim bezels and gorgeous display scream flagship phone, and the sturdy build feels reassuringly solid in your hand. Plus, with multiple color options to choose from, you're sure to find one that matches your style. But the magic truly happens on that 6.1-inch AMOLED screen. The Note 30 Ultra is powered by a lightning-fast processor and backed by ample RAM and storage, ensuring you can handle even the most demanding tasks without breaking a sweat. Multitasking is a breeze, and even graphically intensive games run flawlessly, but where this phone truly shines is in the photography department. The AI-powered camera system captures incredible detail and clarity, and the multiple lenses offer versatility for any situation. From breathtaking landscapes to stunning close-ups, the Note 30 Ultra will make you a photography pro in no time. And the features just keep coming. A massive 5,200 mAh battery keeps you powered up all day, while the in-display fingerprint sensor offers secure and convenient unlocking. Plus, with global language support, this phone is your perfect travel companion. So, if you're looking for a phone that does it all and doesn't compromise on performance, style, or features, the htm-note 30 Ultra is the clear winner. And guess what? It's currently on sale with free shipping. Seriously, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below and grab yours before it's gone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech unboxings and reviews. And until next time, stay tech savvy.